Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make a business card in Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Right here Canva and search it to Google. Then log into your Canva account with ID and password. After logging in, you will find a search bar here. Click here and write business card. Press enter from your keyboard. After pressing enter, you will find thousands of business cards templates. You can see here. Okay, 14,000. All you have just to choose one and start customizing by yourself. Just choose one which is relevant with your business or which portrait you. Okay guys, so let's choose one. Let's choose this one. If you like this and if you want to customize this, go customize this template. If you want to customize this, yes, sorry, your template is ready to customize. So I'm going to show you how you can zoom it. Click Ctrl from your keyboard and up scroll from mouse. Ctrl plus up scroll, it will be zoom like this. So now if you want to change this picture and add your own picture here, click here and press backspace from your keyboard. It will be removed. Now you have to go to upload a file from your computer. Then if you upload it, it will be here first. Then you have to click it, then it will be here. Then you have to drag it with your mouse and put it here. It will be automatically adjusted with the frame. Okay guys, now you can see here the name. You can change the name by double clicking on this. Press backspace from your keyboard, then write your name here. Here's the company position. You can see, you can double click and press backspace, then enter your position. You can see here the number. Double click and you can end your you can press your number here, double click and you can put your mail here. Just do the same. Okay, so now if you want to change the background color, just click here and go background color, and you will find many background color here. Just choose one and you can customize it by yourself. Okay guys, so now after completing your work, how you can download it, go share button and you will find many you will find a download button here. Just click on this, your file will be downloaded in your system. Or if you want to share it with someone via mail, go here and you can see collaborate link. Click here and click on anyone with the link. After clicking this, you can see here people with access. Click here and write your email address @gmail.com. After pressing your email address, click on send. After pressing on send, your whole work will be sent to that email address. Okay guys, so this is how you can make a business card in Canva. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.